Hello children, Sai Ram. Today we are going to do revision for FA2. Revision will be done in two parts. Chapter 3 Subtraction in part 1 and chapter 4 Position in part 2. Today in FA2 revision part 1 we are going to revise chapter number 3 Subtraction. I know you all are good children and must have practiced subtraction properly. Now let us revise it once again. So children, what is subtraction? Subtraction means we take away objects from a group and then counting how many are left. The symbol for subtraction is written using a slipping line. The symbol for subtraction is written using a slipping line. And it is read as minus. M-I-N-U-S, minus. Now children, how many seahorses are there? 4. Now let us take away 2 seahorses. Take away means we have to minus, right? Okay, now let us take away by crossing it. 1, 2. Now, how many seahorses are left? 2. Therefore, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. How many octopuses are there? 3. Now, let us minus 2 octopuses. Okay? Minus means we have to take away. So let us take away 2 octopus. 1, 2. Now how many octopus is there? 1. Therefore 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Children, how many oranges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us take away 4 oranges. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many oranges are left? 0. Therefore 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now children, how many fingers are there? Yes, 5 fingers. Now let us take away 1 finger. That means we have to fold 1 finger. Okay? Now count and see how many fingers are there. 4. Therefore 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Children, how many chocolates are there? Yes, there are 3 chocolates. Now let us minus 1 chocolate from 3 chocolates. Minus means take away. So let us take away 1 chocolate. Now children, count and see how many chocolates are there. There are 2 chocolates. Therefore 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Children, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number just before it. Now children, look at the first sum. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here children, when we subtract 1 from 4, the answer is the number just before it, that is 3. Now let us do the next sum. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Children, when we subtract 1 from 6, the answer is the number before it, that is 5. Let us see these examples in detail. Look at the number line properly. Let us subtract 6 minus 1. Starting from 6, when we jump 1 times towards the left, we reach on number 5. So children, therefore 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Remember children, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before it. Here children, let us subtract 4 minus 1. Children, see properly. Here all the numbers are arranged one below the other, that is vertically. Now starting from 4, when we count one number backwards, we get the answer 3. So children, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Children, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before it. Now children, let us solve some questions based on subtraction. Here children, we are going to select the correct answer from the given options. Children, here we have 4 flowers on the left hand side and 1 flower on the right hand side. That means children, we have to take away 1 flower from 4 flowers. So children, we can do this using our fingers. Children, open 4 fingers. Now fold 1 finger. Now count and see how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Children, look at the screen properly. On the screen, 3 answers are given. From this, we have to select the correct answer. Okay? So, therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Right? So, let us select the correct option C, 3. Children, here we have 2 cakes on the left hand side and we have 1 cake on the right hand side. So children, we have to minus 1 from 2. Correct? Okay. So open 2 fingers. Okay. Now children, we have to take away 1 cake, isn't it? So we are going to fold 1 finger. Now count and see how many fingers are left. 1. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now children, 3 answers are given below. Let us select the correct option from the given answers. Okay. So, let us select option A, 1, which is the correct answer. Now, do you like to eat Polo chocolates? Yes. Now see children, on the left hand side we have 3 Polo chocolates and on the right hand side we have 2 Polo chocolates, which means we have to take away 2 Polo chocolates from 3 Polo chocolates. Okay, that means we have to minus 2 from 3. Now, children, let us open 3 fingers. Now, as we have to take away 2 polos, we are going to fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now, children, count and see how many fingers are left. 1 finger, right? Therefore, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, let us select the correct option B, 1, which is the correct answer. Now, look at the colorful balls, children. Do you all like to play with balls? Yes. Very nice. Now, we have 6 colorful balls on the left hand side and 3 colorful balls on the right hand side. So, we have to take away 3 balls from these 6 balls. Okay. Again, we are going to subtract using our fingers. So, children, open 6 fingers. Okay. Now, as we have to take away 3 balls, we are going to fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, count and see, children, how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, children, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now, let us select the correct option B, 3, which is the answer. Here, children, we have 5 stars on the left hand side and we have 5 stars on the right hand side also. That means we have to minus 5 from 5. Now, again, using your fingers, children, you can subtract this. Open 5 fingers. Now, take away 5 stars, isn't it? So, we are going to fold 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, children, how many fingers are there? There are 0 fingers. Therefore, children, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, let us select the correct option B, 0, which is the answer. Children, here we have red juicy apples on the left hand side. But how many apples are there on the left hand side? 3. And how many apples are on the right hand side? 2. Children, now we have to minus 2 apples from 3 apples. So, let us open 3 fingers. Okay. Now, as we have to take away 2 apples, we are going to fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now, how many fingers are left? 1. Therefore, children, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, children, let us select the correct answer. That is option C, 1. Children, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number. 3 options are given below. We have to select the correct answer. Okay. Again, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before it, after it, equal to it. Which is the correct answer, children? Remember, we have done this in the previous slides. Okay, I will give you an example. Okay, children, when we subtract 1 from 4, the answer is the number just before it, that is 3. Got it? Okay. So when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before it. Therefore, let us click on option A, before it, which is the correct answer. There were 8 books on a table. 4 fell down. Now, how many are left? Children, how many books were there on the table? 8 books, correct? Now, let us open 8 fingers, correct? Now, how many books fell down? 4 books fell down. So, children, let us fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, children, how many fingers are left? Count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, children, now 4 books are left on the table. So, we have to select the correct option C, 4, which is the right answer. There were 3 mangoes on a tree. 2 mangoes fell down. How many mangoes are left? Children, open 3 fingers. And how many mangoes fell down? 2 mangoes. Therefore, let us fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now, how many fingers are left? 1. Therefore, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, children, 1 mango is left on the tree. So, let us select the option B1, which is the correct answer. Children, now let us solve question number 1, 9 minus 9. That means we have to minus 9 from 9. Children, we can solve this also by using your fingers. Okay? Open 9 fingers. Now, as we have to minus 9, we are going to fold 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, children, count and see how many fingers are left. 0. Therefore, 9 minus 9 is 0. Children, remember, subtracting a number from itself always gives 0. Subtracting a number from itself gives 0. Therefore, children, answer is 0. Now, let us select the correct option A, 0. Now, children, let us solve question number 2, 8 minus 4. Here, children, we have to minus 4 from 8. So, how are we going to do this? We can subtract using the fingers. Okay? So, children, open 8 fingers. Now, as we have to minus 4, we are going to fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, count and see how many fingers are left. 4. Therefore, children, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now, let us select the option B4, which is the correct answer. Now, children, let us solve question number 3. 3 minus 0. Children, here we have to minus 0 from number 3. Children, this also you can solve by using your fingers. Open 3 fingers. Yes. Now, we are going to minus 0, right? Therefore, fold 0 fingers. Now, count and see how many fingers are there. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Children, subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. Okay? Whenever we subtract 0 from a number, it gives the same number. That means answer will be always the same number. Okay? So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Now let us select the correct answer 3. Okay? By clicking option C. Children, now let us solve question number 4. 2 minus 1. Children, here we have to minus number 1 from number 2. So children, let us open 2 fingers and we have to minus number 1. So let us fold 1 finger. Now children, count and see how many fingers are there. 1 finger. Therefore children, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let us click the correct option B. Let us solve question number 5. 4 minus 3. Here children, we have to minus number 3 from number 4. We can subtract using our fingers. Now children, open 4 fingers. As we have to minus 3, we are going to fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now count and see how many fingers are left. 1. Therefore children, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now children, we have to select the correct option from the given answers. Okay? So now let us select the correct option B, which is the correct answer. Children, now let us solve question number 6. 5 minus 2. Here we have to minus 2 from number 5. Children, how many fingers are we going to open? Yes, 5 fingers. And how many fingers we are going to fold? 2, because we are going to minus 2. 1, 2 fingers. Now count and see how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3. Therefore children, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now children, let us click on the option C, which is the correct answer. Children, now let us solve question number 7. 4 minus 1. Here children, we have to minus number 1 from number 4. Children, how many fingers you are going to open? 4. Very good. And how many fingers you are going to fold? 1. Very good. Now count and see how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now children, let us click on option A, which is the correct answer. Children, let us solve question number 8, 7 minus 1. Here children, we have to minus number 1 from number 7. So children, how many fingers are we going to open? 7 fingers, right? And how many fingers we are going to fold? 1. Why 1 children? Because we are going to minus 1 from 7. Now count and see how many fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore children, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now let us select the correct option A, which is the correct answer. Now let us solve question number 9, 5 minus 4. Here we have to minus 4 from number 5. Children, open 5 fingers. Yes. Now fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many fingers are left? 1. Therefore 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now let us select the correct option C. Here are some worksheets on subtraction for you to practice in your notebook. Children, you have to select the correct answer from the given options. Children, practice all these worksheets very nicely, okay? And also see the revision video again and again so that it will help you in your FA2 online exam. Okay? Bye. Take care children.